Hello and welcome back to Sweet Acre Koi Farm. This is Chris. We got a lot going on, a lot to show you. So let's get started. the day that we are going to be putting up a couple of the panels. So he's got all this removed so he can get the post hole digger and dig 2 holes, lower them in, and then concrete them in. And because of that, we're going to have to go ahead and take down the sail because we don't want too much tension on the poles while we're doing this. So I'll get back to you when the sail's down. The last one going in. Show you how far down the hole is. How many inches is that? Or 38. There you go. As you can see, the rest are all in. This is the last one that we're working on. Or he's working on, actually. I'm standing here recording. Fish are all watching him. And yes, we still have the sun sail off. It's laying up against the house. We'll put it up as soon as we're done with this. There you go. Put them all lined up. That's so funny. They're all lined up watching him. Crazy. But I'll show you how the other ones turned out so far. We haven't put anything back right here. So this is still... But he put the other side back. So there you go. There's that side. That one he put back. There you go. There you go. I'll talk over the radio so I don't get dinged for whatever song's on, which I can't even really hear myself. There we go. Usually the Gormo hangs up in this corner. I don't see him right now. I don't know where he went. He's in there somewhere. There you go. Yeah, the water's low. Cleaning out filters and stuff, so... Which is another video. So we won't talk about that. We won't talk about that. That's going to be in another video. But yeah, so... Hopefully you can see them. Yeah, they're all like hanging right there just to wait and see what he's doing. Alright, I'll get back to you as soon as we get this. Here we go, the big reveal. There you go. That's how they turned out. What do you think? I'm loving it. This is going to be our view here from the fire pit. Right here. So I'm liking that. Yeah, I'm really liking the way this turned out. Now I see what he was thinking it would look like. He has the ability to see what it's going to turn out looking like before I do, because, yeah, I was not blessed with that gift. I'm like, let's do it. We'll put them up, and I'm sure I'll love it. And I do. I really, really, really love it. Yep. I think he did a great job. If you think he did a great job, smash that thumbs up for my hubby on this video, because he's the one who thought of doing this. So I think it's awesome. I think it's great. I think it adds a little privacy, but yet still you can see through. I love everything about it. So, yay. Thank everybody for watching the video. Thank you all for pushing us up to that 1K mark. We appreciate each and every one of you. Couldn't have done it without you. And we love each and every one of you. You know that. And I'm going to cut this short because, oh my gosh, it's been a long day. We've done a lot of work out in the heat. Oh, I got to show you that pretty butterfly. I don't know if you could see it or not. Oh, there it goes. Woo! It just landed on my head. Oh my goodness. Anyway, okay. On that note, I'm going to get the butterfly off my head. Oh, God, it tickles. Anyway, thank you. Thank you so very much for watching. And everybody stay sweet.